IFS Texwear Ltd is one of the leading composite knit manufacturers in Bangladesh. Located near Fatula Stadium, Narayanganj, half an hour drive from the capital city of Dhaka. IFS Texwear's journey started in 1999. It has a sister concern named 5S Composite Limited. 5S was established in 2009. IFS Texwear is specialized in modern dyeing unit which has 10 tons fabrics production capacity per day. At present it has about 20,000 square feet floor space with capacity of producing 40,000 pieces garments per day. Man behind the IFS Texwear Ltd is Muhammad Salahuddin Ahmed. Shamimi is well-known person in the garments arena of Bangladesh. He is a member of Bangladesh Garments Manufacturers Export Association (BGMEA) and Bangladesh Knit Manufacturers Export Association (BKMEA). He is also member of Narayanganj Chamber of Commerce and Industry. IFS Texwear deals with some world-renowned buyers especially in the European market, as like Zara, Disney, Terranova, Kappa, Aldi, Lidl, Taco, Kick, Wigra, Woolworth, Norma, Millers, Patrol, NKD. Laboratory is an independent department. It plays a critical role in every production phase especially in dyeing and knitting section maintaining the quality standard. Production lab is to ensure adequate production, quality lab to ensure the best quality, and the other one is urine testing lab. The entire fabric unit of IFS Texwear is decorated with most modern equipments. The fabric unit is furnished with a state-of-art technology, the production facility including knitting, dyeing and finishing. The knitting section is furnishing with 25 unit of circular knitting machine and daily production capacity is 7.5 tons knitted fabric. In knitting and dyeing finishing unit of IFS Texwear uses the modern equipments of Europe and USA standard with the capacity of producing 10 tons per day. The company is also fully aware of environment facilities. In cutting section uses computer-aided design CAD system. And fabrics are designed according to the pattern as in CAD. Production capacity of our cutting section is 45,000 pieces per day. IFS Texwear is capable to produce any kinds of fashionable knitting garments. It is well equipped with various kinds of machines from World Brand Japan. Its sewing capacity is 40,000 pieces per day. Garments finishing section is equipped with steam press with vacuum table. The other finishing machineries are needle detector, thread blowing, stain removing, carton box striping etc. IFS Texwear has sophisticated computerized embroidery unit with sequins, beading and roof embroidery. The embroidery unit is capable of 50 million stitches per day. Printing unit is another pride of the company. The product quality of the company is assuring 5S system of operation from sourcing up to packing. Company's advanced management team along with well-trained quality assurance team ensures the best quality of product to meet the international standard. IFS Texwear provides a best quality control system with its 0 to 1.5 acceptable quality level in line. There is a separate finishing section to ensure the fine quality of products. Before cartooning for export, a final inspection is undertaken so that no faulty products can reach to the customers. The sample section of IFS Texwear is also equipped with a variety of up-to-date machines. With 100 modern machines in the sample section, it can produce 3,000 samples daily. At least one pattern master is delegating to per customer. Personal protective equipment must be used for factory workers. So that it is a matter of pride, that IFS Texwear has no record of accidents in last 16 years of company's operations. In every factory, a safe and friendly working environment is a priority. Around-the-clock medical treatment facility, including physicians, trained nurses and medication is available to meet any emergency. There is also a daycare center for the babies of the workers. The annual turnover of $20 million. IFS Texwear never compromises with quality. The success behind IFS Texwear is attributed to the skilled and efficient workers in every sector, a dedicated management team, and the dynamic vision of senior management officials to produce quality products and service for its buyers. A well-knit supportive management team is constantly assisted by a group of trained and efficient employees to make the vision of the company come true. If you want to know more about IFS Texwear Private Limited,